To find data, the user can select the hamburger icon on the top left of the page, or use the microlens icon on the top right of the page. You can either select the data option or type in the data of interest, for example, permitted facilities. Then this launches a page of permitted facilities information. On the left, you can select an arrow icon and select the specific data format for download, for example, CSV format. You can also share the feature service of this data by selecting this icon, share icon, and copy the URL and add this to any of your mapping tool